Mwahu arinda mwananchi matongoretio ni gavana wa Siaya James Orengo na seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna ni mareganite na macokio ma kamiti iria yathurirwo kwariria maundu 10 mwaka muhituku na President William Ruto na mutigaire Raila Odinga.
Start on the right.
Maretie muthenya umwe tu thutha wa kamiti iyo kuna President Ruto na mutongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Odinga riboti ya agrimiti iyo iria maugite ati gutire wira mabata mararutire na guteaneria ihinda ria thikũ 60 iria kamiti ino erongereirwo.
This document that was released yesterday is a fraud. This document is a fraud.
Observers would also have noted that the president purported to extend the mandate of the committee by another 60 days in the same meeting where Dr. Odinga had earlier argued that there was no time limit in the implementation of the MOU.
Listening to them yesterday, the first thing they said in stopping wastage was doing away with the spouses and all those shenanigans.
Maugite riboti ino iri na mahoro maingi na maria matanamurikwo aria ni hamwe na ungumania honge-ini citiganite makiria ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kugerera SHA ngombo nyingi cia mbeca iria iracoka kungumio gatagati ka mangi.
We have a problem in the Ministry of Health from personnel management all the way to how SHA is being run. We have what we call conflict of interest.
Borrow money for recurrent expenditure. We borrow money to loot as a nation. And the moment you loot that money, that debt becomes unproductive debt. The debt that we have is not productive.
Atongoria ningi na matetetie thirikari ni kuga ni kuri haria magurarite kana gukuira mirurungano-ini kuona niyo macungiririe President Ruto na Raila Odinga guthondeka kamiti ino na gutiri undu uhanikite.
We are told there'll be 2 billion in the supplementary budget. It will be brought to the House. We will pass it. Who knows how they arrived at the 2 billion? Who knows the number of the victims? Who decided that a broken leg is worth this?
Utaburukia wa mahinya wonekete kuraraka atongoria ya aria maugite ni giconoko kuona magavana makiaga gutetia kigina kinini kiria maragairwo kuona mahetwo ciringi bilioni 420 mugaru na kiraniro kia ciringi bilioni 450.
We have now just processed the budget policy statement. It is talking of 420 billion shillings. Yesterday, the National Assembly passed the Division of Revenue Bill with 420 billion.
Ihinda-inĩ riu ni mamenereirie aruna wa kĩama kĩa ODM makiuga ni marekete President William Ruto guthukia kĩama gĩkĩ makihita matigwĩtĩkĩra gĩthire thutha wa gwatukana maita merĩ.
We also have spoken about the respect and integrity of political parties, the respect for integrity and independence of political parties, which Ruto has violated to the extent that ODM is no longer recognizable as a political movement.
We must make sure that ODM as a part of the people must be reclaimed by the people. And we are lucky that the Secretary General is with the people.
Linda mwananchi mekwaragia hindi ya kuruguria riboti iria ironania mahoro ma riboti iria iraneanirwo kuri President.
Congratulations.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩchimũ Joseph.